In today's video, I will be reviewing this 26-inch straight wig from West Kiss Hair. This is a 250% density wig, and it is also a 13x4 HD lace frontal unit. This wig already came fully pre-customized. The only thing that I had to do was add my foundation to the lace. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package with my foundation on the lace. It looks very natural. I love the hairline, and this unit is big head friendly. First thing you want to do is push the hair out the way so that you can cut the air tabs off on both sides of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on your head. Now I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately, starting with the middle section. Today I'll be using the Bold Hold Active Glue, and I'm applying 2 layers of that glue to lay down this lace. I'm using my folding fan to dry the glue until the glue is tacky enough for me to lay my lace down. I find it way easier to install my lace in sections, starting with the middle section, because it really helps me to focus on the details and have control over each section while laying the lace down. Plus, I noticed that my installs will last longer every time I do it this way. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer to lay down this lace, and I'm using my blow dryer on a medium heat setting. Then you want to take those same exact steps and apply it to the other 2 sections of the lace. Now I'm going in with the Bedhead Masterpiece Spray, and I'm applying a decent amount of that spray on top of the lace to give the lace a stronger hold and a more natural look as well. For this step, you want to make sure that the spray is fully dry, or else the lace will lift up. So then I went in with my elastic band and my blow dryer. My blow dryer is on the hottest heat setting, and this step will help give your lace a more natural melted lace look. Now I'm just cleaning that middle part up, and then I'm gonna go in with the Care wax stick to help mold down the top of this wig. I'm using my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush to flatten down the foundation of this wig. I love doing this extra step to flatten down my wig because you can truly see a difference when you add this step in. Now I'm going in with the hot comb to flatten down the top of this wig. I want to make sure that this wig is nice and flat, so I parted the hair in sections and then went in with the hot comb. Using a wax stick throughout each section is also important because it helps slick down the hair, but you want to make sure that you're not using too much of the wax stick because it will weigh the hair down over time. Then you want to do that same process to the other side of the wig. This step is completely optional, but I went in with my blow dryer to help straighten this wig before using my flat iron. Now it is time to cut the lace off. Today I'm going to be using the Kiss razor for this step. And I like to cut my lace off in sections because it really helps me to focus on the details while cutting the lace. You want to cut off as much lace as you can, maybe just leaving a little bit of lace, but not too much. And be very careful during this step because you are dealing with a razor very close to your skin. Now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 16, and I'm using the lightest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I will not be doing baby hairs for this look, but I do like to go in and pull out some sideburns and cut it down. I don't know, it's something about it, I just like that look. Now I will be straightening the hair with my flat iron. I'm using the Revlon flat iron. If I can find it on Amazon, I will link it down below. But if you really want your hair to be nice and straight, you want to go in and follow the flat iron with a comb. And make sure it's one of those thin rat tail combs so that you can get a really nice straight look. Now I'm going in with my Even Wig Knots Concealer in the color Medium Beige to enhance my parting space. I went in with the Taraji P. Henson Wig Refresher Spray, And I sprayed a generous amount of that spray onto the hair. And I like to do this step because the spray just smells really good, and who doesn't want their hair to smell good? Lastly, I'm going in with the Cheese Silk Infusion Serum, and I'm applying a good amount of that serum throughout the hair. This will give your hair a nice shine, a really nice luster, and will overall make the hair look sleek and healthy. Here is the final look of this wig, and I really do love this outcome. The hair itself just looks very beautiful. It has this nice sleek shine to it, a nice sleek look overall. But I really want to talk about the actual quality of this hair. The first thing that I really like about this unit is the density. I love that it is definitely a 250% density wig. You can tell by looking at it that it just gives off a full natural look. And here is how the back of the unit looks. The parting space is a 13x4, but I feel like the parting space was pretty deep, which I have no complaints about. And as far as the shedding, honestly, I did not have any problems with the shedding. Maybe a few strands came out on the brush as I was brushing through the hair, but it was not excessive at all. Another thing that I really liked about this unit was the quality of the lace. The lace was so natural looking, it blended so seamlessly with my skin tone, and I really love the fact that this unit came fully pre-customized. I will always have nothing but good things to say about WestKids hair, and if I'm being honest, they don't miss when it comes to their straight and body wave wigs. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure y'all comment down below on how y'all like this unit, and stay tuned for my next video.